This is a right-away letter. I gotta mail it today. Straight to my main inspirer. Says urgent from the USA. It's got this heart inside it. The postage is my soul. Contains a message for millions. Said keep, don't go. $10,000 guitars waving, but it ain't quite the same. You got a knack for sailing, and it's stamped with your own brand name. We's all sailors, as captain you must know. You bring a message to millions. Say keep, don't go. I said keep, don't go. Oh, don't take my fun. Keep, don't go. Keep, don't go.
You've been on my mind. I grow fonder every day, losing myself in time. Just thinking of your face, God only knows why it's taken me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forget your past and simply be mine. I dare you to let me be your one and only. I promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on and give me the chance to prove I am the one who cares. What that matter until the end starts. If I've been on your mind,
I pray you wake up one day and don't feel heavy, like the world finally loosened its grip on your chest. I pray the nights you cry in silence turn into mornings you breathe without stress. I pray the unanswered questions get answered in ways you didn't expect, and the same hands that held you together be the ones that lift you next. I pray the doors you kept knocking on open wide without you begging. I pray the weight you've been carrying turns into strength you didn't know you had in you. I pray the people who doubted your growth get front row seats when you blossom. And every scar you tried to hide, be proof God never forgot you. I know life ain't been fair to you. I know you've been strong longer than you should have had to be. But if nobody ever told you you ain't forgotten, let me say it. I pray you get everything